We have the first 6-foot piece ready. I need to add a little bit of support to it. What I'm going to do is add a board underneath here to stop it from twisting. It shouldn't twist, but that'll reinforce that. I'm also thinking the bottom piece, I was going to put another rung on it right here, but now I'm thinking I'd put a 1-inch here and then hinge on a wider board so that way it can tilt down, be screwed into the roof. So that's what I'm thinking about doing there. And then cutting the board for the sides that gets hinged to this. So I'm going to go get another board, an 8-inch, which I can rip to 4, and start on that. Let's see how far we get today. I only have probably an hour to work on it, but should make some progress. It is raining out, so I can't really see that, but it is raining out, so I really want to get this ladder done and fix that hole.